This video shows how to buy shares of BASF SE on Xetra using the ticker BAS.DE with a short example on eToro. BASF is a major global chemical company supplying materials and industrial products. This is an educational demonstration, not financial advice. To trade Xetra listings, you need a broker account. We use eToro as a neutral example and show the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your account, typically by uploading an ID document, and then add funds before buying. Use the platform search box and type the ticker BAS.DE to find BASF SE. Review the search results carefully to select the Xetra listing for the correct company. On the stock page, you will see basic company information and a price chart. Confirm company name, exchange Xetra, and ticker BAS.DE to ensure this is the correct asset. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to allocate, then review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, the order may be queued as a market or limit order, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before confirmation. After the trade, your BASF position will appear in your portfolio overview. Check the description for a link to eToro if you want to learn more about the platform.